Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel, the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is back to serve our community, the public, in the field of law. Now, we do not have a specific topic right now, but a general topic about the justice system. This is brought about by a comment of a complainant who claims that there is a bad justice system in this country because her complaint was dismissed. Of course, hindi lang naman siya ang nagsasabi. So many Filipinos, once the decision of the court or the resolution of the public prosecutor or even the labor arbiter is adverse to them, they will always blame the justice system. Sabihin, mali kasi yung justice system in this country. Yan ang mga sinasabi nila. But try to ask them, bakit ma'am? Bakit sir? Ano pala ang justice system dito? Of course, they cannot answer that. They do not know the justice system in this country, and yet they are blaming the justice system. May mga nagsasabi pa nga, mali talaga yung justice system kasi pera-pera lang, nagbayad yung kalaban. Pag yan ang sinabi mo na nagbayad yung kalaban, it is not the justice system which is wrong. It is the individual who yung nagbigay ng pera at sino yung tumanggap din ng pera at kami nanghingi din ng pera. Sila yung mali. It is not the justice system. I have to say that we have a good justice system in this country. Paano natin malalaman kung maganda nga ang justice system? You can study remedial law or procedural law. Andun yung tinatawag na justice system. Tulad ng criminal case, halimbawa, ikaw yung complainant. Aba, you have to prove that the respondent or the person you are charging is guilty as charged. Why? Because of the constitutional provision that every person charged of a crime is presumed innocent. Dahil ikaw ang nagrereklamo, patunayan mo. Paano mo mapatunayan? You have to present evidence. Evidence in accordance with what? The rules on evidence, which is procedural law or justice system. O paano mo sasabing mali ang justice system? You do not know the rules of evidence. I see. And that is true in a criminal action or in a civil action. Ikaw magpatunay. Pag natalo, mali ang justice system. Sa totoo, hindi. Kung lagayan ang pinag-usapan, pera-pera, yung taong naglagay at nanghingi o tumanggap, sila ang mali. Not the justice system in this country. Sa totoo lang, siyempre kahit papano, may konting kaalaman naman ako, konti, sa procedural law or remedial law. At doon mo makikita talagang balansyado ang rules of procedure passed by no less than the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Napakaganda ng rules of procedure dito sa bansang ito. Protektado pareho yung nagdidemanda at nakademanda. Of course, maraming protection yung akusado. Why? Because of the constitutional presumption on innocence. So it is not the system really. Okay. Anong system ang gusto ninyo? Baka yung system mo, yung pabor sa'yo, yun ang system, ng good system. Pag hindi pabor, masama ang sistema. Of course, kahit na nagsasabi ako ng ganito, we are not here to blame the public na justice system ang sinisisi. No, hindi natin sila i-blame. Bakit? Hindi naman nila alam. Yun lagi lang naman ang papasok sa utak, mali ang justice system. So pardonable yan. Kasi hindi nila alam. Kailangan talaga ng edukasyon. And that is why the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is here. Para makatulong naman sa sambayan ng Pilipino sa larangan ng batas, including the justice system in this country. Kaya sana lagi niyong tangkilikin, support our program in this channel para naman sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Ang The Fraternal Order of Eagles ay matatagpuan sa buong bansa. Kalat ang mga clubs. Kami naman, we belong to the different Limbas Eagles Club in Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. Sa katunayan, nandito ako ngayon sa Antipolo City. Ba't maraming sasakyan? Dahil marami akong sasakyan. Hindi, nandito ako sa LTO. Sa LTO, nagpa-renew ng driver's license. At masama ang sistema. Ito na naman, baka banatan. Ang masasabi ko lang, maraming salamat sa LTO. Napakabilis ng renewal ng license ko. Of course, kumuha muna ako sa bahay. Doon ako kumukuha ng exam, online exam. Kaya pagdating dito, medical, then sinabmit ko yung papel, fill upan ng konti lang naman. Then binigay, picture, kamay. In a few minutes, bang! Ito na yung license. 10 years driver's license. Okay, so paminsan-minsan purihin natin yung gobyerno, purihin din natin yung nagpapalakad sa gobyerno. Pag mali naman ay batikusin din at kung may ebidensya, sampahan ng kaso. Alright? So ito na naman ang Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.